The FCJ Refugee Center wants to celebrate the Refugee Rights Day, which is April 4 of every year. Even in Toronto, we call the Refugee Rights Month. We want to take this opportunity to recognize all the contribution of refugees have been done in Canada, especially refugee claimants. Also to recognize all the resilience that they have been facing, all the challenges to manage to get to Canada. With this note, we want to call to the government of Canada to stop the Safe Third Country Agreement in a way that they can have a fair access to make a claim. Happy Refugee Rights Day.
I came to Canada in 2018 with my husband and 2 children from Mexico. Leave home was leave everything behind to an unknown place. Without a doubt was an act of faith and courage. The biggest challenge in this country was not the language, because we knew some, was to understand the system, the legal system, immigration system, educational system, even, just to take a bus. Means understand everything how it works here, the city, the country, and the systems. So if you have decided to emigrate, please fill yourself with a lot of faith and courage. Go to specialized centers who understand how works all this. Because remember, every story, every case is different. So in this Refugee Rights Day, be kind with refugees and with all the volunteers who help and support every day to these refugee claimants in their process. God bless you all.
Hi, my name is Victor, and I'm a social service worker here at FCJ. And today I stand with all refugees as we celebrate Refugee Rights Day. I'm from Africa and an immigrant here in Canada. As an immigrant, I stand in solidarity with all refugees because of the challenges that we immigrants we're facing back in our home country, like being different races or different religions, or being a member in a different social group or nationality. So this is all the challenges that we're facing back home when we are immigrating here in Canada. So on this day, today, Refugee Rights Day, I want to see Canada accept more refugees. Thank you and happy Refugee Days.
Hi everyone, my name is Heaven and I am the daughter of immigrants. My parents both migrated here to Canada in the 90s in order to start a better lives for themselves, and someday in the future, me and my brother. They told me about the struggle they went to get here. Coming to Canada it wasn't the easiest thing. They had to leave behind family and friends, the life that they knew, and they came to a brand new country where they didn't know how things ran, how to do certain things. So my message to everyone is to be patient and to be accepting. You don't know what someone has gone through, so be accepting and patient and kind.
My name is Hector Valderrama Medina. I work as the Refugee Protection Manager here at the FCJ Refugee Center. When we speak about refugee rights and what kind of impacts and the realities refugees face here, I just want to make things absolutely clear when we see clients on a day-to-day basis here. There's this kind of misconception that refugees have a very easy life here, and I really want to clarify that it's completely the opposite. Most people who come here seeking protection are being forced to leave their homes, leave their families, leave everything they know, due to circumstances that are out of their control. It It could be the generalized violence in our countries of origin. It could be the climate disaster that is slowly encroaching everyone. But I just really want to make it clear that it's not a choice made lightly. And people face family separation. They basically jump into the void that is the Canada immigration system with sometimes no language, no knowledge, and they risk it all just in order to survive without certainty what's going to happen with their process, certainty of how they're going to earn their next income. It's a monumental challenge. And even though we're here to help at every step of the way, we have to understand that working with refugee claimants and undocumented people is recognizing the challenges that they face and advocating precisely on these days to make sure that they have access to services and, more importantly, access to immigration processes that allow them to reunite with their families and survive precisely the trauma that brought them here in the first place.